Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube videos ever and obviously my first hair tutorial ever, and this has been requested by so many people on Instagram and on TikTok. If you don't know my Instagram, I'm gonna link them down here, and also my TikTok, go check that out. Today I'll be showing you how to curl my everyday hair, and I hope you guys enjoy it. You should always prep your hair by brushing it and then apply a heat protectant spray. I already applied my heat protection cream before filming this. Now I'll part my hair in the middle and separate it into two sections. If you have really thick hair or don't curl your hair that very often, it's better to part it into more sections so that you have more control. Because trust me, you do not want to miss a strand of hair like this or even worse. Anyway, let's get started with the first strand of hair. For my hair curler, I'm using Area Beauty 25mm ceramic clipless curler. And if you have really thin hair, I suggest that you should get the one with different temperature settings to avoid burning your hair. And if you're not very familiar with the clipless curler, you can also use the heat protection gloves. I usually start from the back. You can see that I'm showing you a V sign. By holding a strand of hair with your index and middle finger, you can control your hair a lot better and the heat can apply on the hair evenly. Now you're going to wrap the hair around the curler slowly. You can also adjust where you want the curl to start by adjusting the handle of the curler. If you want to achieve an even curl, you need to be consistent with where you want the curl to start from the root. At this point, you should hold the curl for at least 5 to 10 seconds before releasing it. It's also important not to run your fingers through your curled hair or brush it right after you curl it, because you want it to cool down and set first. You can then take the curl strand and move it to your back. Then you can move on to the next strand. Many of my friends actually complain to me that their arms get tired when curling their hair. So to overcome that, the trick is to wash your hair the night before or at least a few hours before you actually want to curl your hair. This then allows your hair to completely dry so that it catches the heat better, so you can curl your hair a lot faster. Another trick is that you can also do your makeup afterwards to reduce your arm movement before curling your hair. And with practice, you'll be a pro in no time and you won't even feel it. Now that you're done with the first section on the right, you're going to move on to the left section. You're going to do the same thing, just make sure that you're being consistent with where the curls start and remember to curl away from your face. Now that you're done with the first layer, congratulations! You're going to move all of the curled hair to your back before you start with the next layer. Make sure that the second layer is at the front so it doesn't get mixed up with the first layer. Another tip that I want to give you is that if your hair is not even and it has a lot of different layers, you might struggle to curl the end of your hair as some of the hair strand might fall off. To avoid this, you can just simply twist at the end slightly like I'm showing you here. Moving on to the fringe, you need to be more careful as you might burn your face. Therefore, it is very important to do this slowly and control. The fringe might have different lengths as well, so just give it a little twist at the end to make sure that all of the strand is curled. Now we're going to move on to the last section. And you're done. I'm joking, there are still a few more steps to go. Just make sure, for health and safety, turn off your curler because you do not want to burn down your house or leave any burn mark on your furniture. Like when Rachel forgot to turn off her hair iron. Anyway, when your hair is completely cooled down, you can then check if you have missed any strand of hair. If not, then we're going to move on to the fun part. Now I'm going to brush out my hair. You should keep on brushing until you're happy with how the curl looks. For hair oil, I'm using macadamia healing oil. I'll link it down in the description box. I usually use some hair oil to control the frizz and then give my hair a healthy shine look. Finally, set your look with a hairspray. Here I'm using my all-time favorite and super affordable Wella Silvercrans hairspray number 4. Simply take the hairspray and mist it gently all over your hair. This will set your look for the day and keep your curls intact. And there you have it. This is a final look with all the most useful tips to help you achieving the perfect curl. My final tip is to maintain or get a healthy hair. You should also focus on hair treatment like hair mask. My favorite hair mask so far is from Philip Kingsley. Also make sure to apply hair oil after every single wash. I'm also taking Perfect Tail supplement to support and maintain a healthy and fuller hair as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you do find these videos helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, and I also would like to thank my friend Vince for letting me borrow his microphone that I'm using right now. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be very happy to answer them. Good luck with this tutorial. Bye!